Welcome back to our channel, the Stigters. Today we're reviewing a fireplace. It is the Bond Signature Series
Canyon Ridge Collection.
and it's from Lowe's. Before we get started today, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up as it really helps our channel.
And let us know in the comments below if you guys have a fire table, if you prefer lava rock over fireglass, and if you like fireglass, which color of fireglass do you like better?
This is definitely patio season right now. It is summer, it is 2020, so it is time of coronavirus life. And so getting outdoors is really important in terms of making a healthy lifestyle. So we decided we wanted to do our patio. We looked down at our floors. We actually did our decking already during this time. So check out that video. We'll link in the description below on how to install composite decking. It was really affordable and quite easy actually. Really anyone can do it. We were complete beginner DIYers. But now we need to furnish the patio. Step 1 is get a couch. Step 2 is get a fire pit. So let's see how it is. And a quick note while he's unboxing, this was just dropped off on a truck by the delivery guy. It is 137 pounds. So make sure you have a space where they can leave it and it's not just stuck out on a sidewalk because it would be tough to move. I specifically chose this collection because it had a good BTU. It was on the higher end for our price range. It was 5,500 BTU. Let's see what we got. How do you open this box? Well, it's stuck in the box. 65 pounds each. I don't know if I can do this. Let's see. Oh! Ah! Such a good.
Obviously needs to hit the gym a little bit more. Do it.
Try again. 1. When all else fails, rip the box. So this is the stones for inside the fire pit. We'll put this to the side until we're ready. Yeah. We've got a cover. So this is important because we don't have an awning or coverage here. So when it's not in use, you can cover it up so the fire pit doesn't get ruined from all the rain and snow. Success! More stones. More lifting. Definitely have a partner to do this. Direction time.
So in the bag, takes on the instructions. A battery, which I imagine is for the electric igniter. And it looks like a couple of touch-up pens in case you scuff it while you're trying to move it like we did. Pulls the wall off.
Well, this is the opening to put the propane tank in. So it's pretty cool. It looks, close up view here, like it looks like Tabor's dough.
Yeah, like bricks.
Yeah. We wanted some brown. We have a lot of gray in our backyard, so we wanted to change up our color scheme, get a little bit more variation. So everything was gray. The top is really nice. It's a granite countertop.
So it looks like it's fully assembled. All we really have to do is insert this battery into the electric igniter, and then we need to insert the gas tank, hook it up, and it should light. See what we can do. Always be sure when you're working outside, have a beer in hand. Here's the propane tank. We get this at Lowe's, Home Depot, Ace Hardware, Jewel. Just your normal 20-pound liquid propane. Should use the same hookup as you'd use with your grill. So I actually stole this one from my grill just to see if it worked.
Okay, step 1 says check the control knob for the gas supply system is turned to the off position before starting any assembly.
Check.
Okay, great. Step 2, remove the door from body B and place the propane gas tank into the metal stand inside of the body.
Check and check.
And that gas tank does not come with. You have to buy your own propane gas tank, but you can also buy that at Lowe's. Step 3, turn the cylinder valve on the tank clockwise to close the propane tank.
Closed.
Attach the pre-assembled regulator from the body to the cylinder valve by turning the regulator coupling nut clockwise. Make sure it's fastened securely and tighten connections by hand only.
Check.
4. Once the tank is attached to the regulator, make sure the propane gas tank sits on the metal stand inside the body completely.
Check.
Turn the pre-assembled wing screw on the outer part of the metal stand clockwise to secure the propane tank tightly.
Check.
Replace door C into the body.
Check.
Remove the rubber cap on the electronic lighter by unscrewing and slide battery into the battery slot. Make sure the positive side of the battery faces outwards. Screw the electronic lighter cap over the battery tightly.
Check. So far this is pretty easy, no tools involved.
Last thing is just pour the lava rocks into the fireball.
Alright. Got 2 bags of lava rocks here. Box number 2. Just going to spread these around a little bit and leave them out. What's next, Jewel?
Okay, let's try and light this baby up.
I'm going to pull this thing open. I'm going to make sure the gas valve is completely wide open. I'm then going to re-secure this door. Alright, so instructions say you have to push the little knob to get the sparks going. So I'll do that. Sparks are going, and then I push in the big dial and turn the thing to low and wait till it flames up. I can release it and it starts. And we have fire. And now I can control the flame size. Right now we're on low. I'm going to turn it up to high. And it actually produces a lot of heat. Not quite sure how much gas we're going to go through at this rate. It's warm.
I can really feel this heat. Like, this is strong. I like it. I like it.
Yeah, it's very cool.
How do we turn it off?
Turn it off, you just turn the knob all the way to the off position and it will pop out and then you're done.
Okay, great.
Yeah. Overall, this is very cool. The bricks look real. It's got a nice natural granite tabletop. It's really nice.
I really like the lava rocks too. I know a lot of people are changing these out to the like glass rocks, marbles. Fireglass. It looks very posh. It looks very nice. It doesn't look like a real fire. I love, because we can't have a wood burning fire pit out here because we have trees very close. So I love that it looks like real fire by the rocks. Yeah.
Yeah. It's actually really warm. I prefer the fireglass, but this works nicely too.
And how much was this?
Delivered, a little bit under $500.
And this is not, we don't have a truck, we have a pickup truck, maybe you can go get it yourself. It was not something that we could in our small city car. So
couldn't get home ourselves.
We had to pay delivery. Delivery was $69 as of right now in 2020, but maybe it'll go down one day. So yeah, I give it an A+. I mean, I really like it.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Yeah, I call us a win. Thanks for joining us today on our review of the
Bond Signature Series Union Ridge Collection fire table.
To complete our patio, we're going to now set up our couch. So we'll do a review on that as well. And once that review is up, we'll post a link in the description below. To give this video a big thumbs up, share it with a friend, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and we hope you join us again next week for more videos from the Stigters.
Have a good day.